But wait, you can do this by dragging the cell containing the formula we just made. Just select the cell and position the mouse pointer to the lowermost left corner of the cell to change the mouse icon into a solid cross. Then, click and drag the cell down to the last cell you need to have your data. Now see, isn't it amazing how Microsoft Office Excel does? Do you know that Microsoft Office Excel is a powerful software application? It's more than just a spreadsheet that you used to know, where you encode data and consider this app for just a table. Some of us don't realize that this app contains a very vast range of capabilities. As an example, let's consider tagging names of students at the end of school year. Class advisors have the job to determine if a student has achieved an academic excellence award or not. The criteria to determine a student's academic excellence award is based on the DepEd Order number 36, series of 2016. It will be so much easy to determine if the number of students in a class is very few, just like 10. However, in the case that we have here in the public schools in the Philippines, a class section can reach up to 50 or more. Therefore, it would take so much time to tag each student for their academic excellence award. Moreover, there are a few errors that may occur sometimes. That's why the process is done all over again. To make things easier, we will learn how to do this job using Microsoft Office Excel. We will learn how to use the VLOOKUP function to tag each student with error-free results. We can learn it by doing together using your computer. Just download the exercise file from the description link below. According to Microsoft Office Excel Help window, VLOOKUP is used when you need to find things in a table or range by row. In this case, we will use the table showing the Academic Excellence Award on page 3 on the DepEd Order number 36, series of 2016, which is the Policy Guidelines on Awards and Recognition for the K-12 Basic Education Program. We will translate the information from this table to the language understood by Microsoft Office Excel. Because Excel reads the values in ascending order, we need to encode the lowest value first. But before that, we need to create a simple range to illustrate the data found in the table named Academic Excellence Award. On the first column in this range, we will put the grades, and on the second column, we will put the description. Let's start by encoding 0 as the first data to include non-honors who are not able to reach the minimum grade requirement for the Academic Excellence Award. Now let's encode the lowest grade in a range of with honors, which is 90, right below 0. We need not to encode other grades within this range, as it will be automatically understood by Excel once the next lowest value from the next range has been encoded. The next range is with high honors. Therefore, 95 shall be encoded next to 90 below. Then 98 shall be encoded next, as it is the lowest grade required by the highest honor description. Now that the range has been created based on the actual criteria, we can start to work with the VLOOKUP function. Let's position the mouse cursor to the cell next to General Weighted Average on the first student on the list. Now, type the equal sign followed by the word VLOOKUP. Usually, the VLOOKUP function pops up automatically, which provides you the opportunity to double-click it to open its syntax. Just follow which cells of data are required by the syntax to successfully execute the function. In this example, lookup value is asked first. It refers to the grade to look for in the range of Academic Excellence Award on what its description is. Now, let's click the cell next to the left where we put our formula for the VLOOKUP function, then followed by a comma as what the syntax asks for. Now, for the table array, select the entire set of data in the Academic Excellence Award range we created. Because this table array is the same reference all throughout in the VLOOKUP function, We need to lock it by pressing F4 from your keyboard's function keys. Notice the existence of the $sign in your reference indicated in the formula bar. These $signs imply that the cell references are locked. You can also do it manually if you're not comfortable by using the F4 key. The $sign before the letter locks the column reference and the $sign before the number locks the row reference. Make sure that the column and the row references are both locked by $signs. Once done, insert a comma to proceed to the next data needed from the syntax. For the column index number, type in the number 2, because that's the number of the column from the left that contains the description and the range of academic excellence award. After that, insert a comma to proceed to the last data needed from the syntax. For the range lookup, select True for approximate match because we are looking for descriptions within ranges. False is used for exact match, meaning it will show only if the reference is the exact one found in the range of academic excellence award. Now, insert a closing parenthesis to complete the formula for the VLOOKUP function and press enter. Now you will see the description automatically. The next question is, will I repeat the process all through the remaining cells? My answer is yes. But wait, you can do this by dragging the cell containing the formula we just made. Just select the cell and position the mouse pointer to the lowermost left corner of the cell to change the mouse icon into a solid cross. Then, click and drag the cell down to the last cell you need to have your data. Now see, isn't it amazing how Microsoft Office Excel does? If you find this video useful enough, please hit that like button and share this video with your colleagues. We will have more videos like this in the future, so please don't forget to subscribe. You can also type your comments below so we can do more and better videos in the future. Thanks for watching!